I founded Living with Lolo because I believe your home should make you feel like your bravest, boldest self, and also be a refuge that feels familiar and nurturing. We work with high-profile individuals and busy professionals all across the U.S. to offer full-service, custom designs for your home. Our process is designed to take only a few hours of your time from start to finish. Everything can be done virtually. From redesigning a new home to building a new home, we take care of all of the details, logistics, and ordering and installation. We'll even get all of the deliveries to our warehouse and have our crew and our designers install everything in your home in one delivery. It's really important to us that your experience of getting your dream home feels like a dream too. I am proud to have been voted Arizona's top designer and feel honored to be backed by a 5-star team of designers and operation experts who help me take care of everything for your project. I focus on custom plans to support how you live. I believe spaces can be beautiful and still highly functional. I love getting to understand what you want your space to do for you because smart design decisions can help you get so much more from your space. Your picture-perfect dream home is so much closer than anything. We're so happy you're here and we look forward to working with you.